I'm going to get very vulnerable here, but I want to share something interesting with you. Is really do ask for the things that you want. Have the courage to ask for the things that you want. And I'll explain to you in this video. So, you know the podcast, right? I've been doing it for 8 years, but as we're starting to grow, that's a parrot. That's literally a parrot flying over here, over our house. For the past 2 years, there's green parrots flying everywhere. It's insane. I don't know what happened. But anyway, let me get back to the story. So I've been doing podcasting for over 8 years, but the podcast is getting a lot of attention. And, you know, every time when I have to edit or I look at it, I go myself and I look at myself and I go, oh my gosh, Carmen, you got to dress better. Oh my gosh, you got to look better. Oh my gosh, you got to lose weight. Oh my God, your skin. Oh my gosh, this. And I've just turned 46 and I have like these things happening on my skin that I've never had before. And I'm already, sometimes I can be so insecure by the way I look. And then all the work I have to do to try and look decent. It's just like being on the camera the whole time does make me feel very exposed. And I was thinking for the past few weeks, you know, I'm going to try and see if I can get people that are in alignment with me, people that I've walked a journey with, that I know their value systems, and people that get me and get what I'm all about, is willing to walk a journey with me. So one of my friends, Bronwyn van Heerden, she runs a Sun and Beauty shop in Northcliffe. I've been with her for 14 years, and actually 15 years, and my skin and everything. But she knows the struggles that I've been having with menopause and my skin and all of that kind of stuff. And I've actually thought, you know what, I'm going to ask her if she is willing to walk a journey with me, and you know, we'll shine a light on the work that she's also doing within the beauty space. But if she would walk a journey with me and trying to find the right products for my skin, that my skin can look better, because I feel like makeup is starting to look so cakey on me, and that the beauty from my own skin can start shining through, because I want to have the bravery and courage to perhaps not wear makeup on some of my shows. Like, I want to do like the vibes, Alicia Keys vibes, not doing makeup. I think it would be amazing, but I would like to have the opportunity to choose, you know. So I asked her and she said yes. Just like, no problem, yes. And I got so much more than I was thinking I'm going to get. And I was like, oh my gosh, so exciting. And then I did it again. I asked one of the brands that I always wear, that I love their clothing from. I've got 8 outfits from them. I'm not going to announce it yet because it's not official. And I asked, and the answer was yes. When can we send you the clothing? And I was just like, my message to you is just ask for what you want. Today I had another meeting. I was just like, hang on, I want to do this thing. I'm going to ask this brand. I'm going to ask this particular person and that particular person to join me and join hands with me and see if they say yes. And they did. And that's my point, is just ask for what you want. And and all you can get is no. And you move on. Nothing to be ashamed of. And I don't know why we sometimes wish people, and I had my accountability partner, Mashumbi Matuma, we were talking about this thing today. It's like, you know, constantly thinking, you know, that people can read our minds, telepathy of what we want in life. You've got to ask for what you want. That's it. So anyway, just thought I would share that little bit of wisdom with you. It's a long video, but you get me.